Today we're going to do something that I haven't done in a while, and that is a plant unboxing. I'm very curious because I've ordered from a ton of websites before, including like Aquagenera, NSE Tropicals, Gully Greenhouse, and they've all arrived in really perfect condition. So I'm very curious to see how Costa Farms does with their plants and how they go about sending them. So let's get to it. All right, so with all the big sales that have been going on this holiday season, I know a friend wanted a White Knight Philodendron, so I ended up finding a really great deal on Costa Farms website. So I ordered from them and took 2 days to arrive, just got here, and so we're going to cut it open. I only know a little bit about White Knight Philodendrons, but standard philodendron care, bright indirect light, and you know the gist of these plants.